Welcome back everybody to another episode update on OFN, Openfabric AI. What you're seeing right now is me in my last video just a few days ago where I told everyone it was breaking out, and boy, what a breakout this was. Look, if you are not finding breakouts like this just yet, then you are missing out on crypto. If you don't know how to find these types of gems, doesn't matter the narrative, if it's AI, gaming, RWAs, all the narratives, and find the best coins, the best movers that have a velocity move, then man, you are missing out, and you need maybe to start finding ways to make sure that you don't miss out. Anyways, if you like what I have, smash that like button and subscribe, and make sure you don't miss any of my videos, because hey, if you even watched this video, you probably would have made money sense. Right, so this was me. You saw the price was 0.35. This was already breaking out from our entry at 0.28, right? So what I want to show you now is a little bit of what my fear is for the next 3 days, because as I told you in my last videos, and as you can see, the price is 0.41 right now, I'm afraid of the unlock that will happen in 3 days from today. So this is crypto rank. You can see here that, as I told you, this is an underfollowed asset rank 826. No one knows about this asset too much. That's why it can explode, right? It reached 0.48, right, for a second there. Of course, we sold around that area, not all the position, but most of it already. We had 70% profits in just 2 days. Insane. 70% profit in 2 days. Velocity move. That's what you're looking for velocity move. Guys, ladies and gents, what are you waiting on other types of assets that move 2-3% a day, 5% a day, go down, up and down, and you're waiting them for months? What are you doing? This is crypto. You don't want to be waiting on those weak ass assets, lagging assets, while you can make huge amounts of money on gems that no one is looking at, right? That's the sauce of being a trader, right? You are probably not a whale, and you're probably not an institution, right? You're a home trader, a retail trader probably, all right, with an account around a few $1,000s, maybe up to 100,000, maybe a bit more, I don't know, maybe 500,000 or something like that. You can take advantage of small caps, all right? That's what you want to do, and Openfabric is one of those. So let's dive in for what I wanted to show you. Look, so we have unlocked only 15.8% so far, and the next unlock is in 3 days. Now the next unlock is quite big, right? It's above 2.5%, which is, by the research by CoinGecko, above 2.5% is where you start seeing how it impacts price, right? Above. Now, statistically saying, right, doesn't mean it will impact to the negative, right? Impact negatively the price in this unlock, but I want to be mostly out of this trade by now, or by 2 days from now at least. I don't want to be heavy in this asset while they unlock. Now, if we go down, we can see over here that this is actually the how much is it? The 2.93% is part of a cliff vesting that is unlocking, right, 165 million OFNs. Now you can see this is going to be linear unlock in 35 months, and the next unlock is from the cliff is 0.92. So we have a few different unlocks, not only the ecosystem. I will show you overall. The overall is going to be 2.93, but this part, the linear one, all right, that goes, as it says over here, the vesting period month goes to investors and so on, allocation, all right, in 3 days, 0.92. Team and advisors, that's in 63 days. As you can see, all right, I hover over it. This one is in 3 days, 0.81. So this is private. Private, what does that mean? I don't know. Ecosystem means to users, users, not investors. Private, probably investors, private investors, maybe people that work in the company. Investors, in 3 days, 0.28. Liquidity, just to give some liquidity to the market, doesn't say. So seed, right? People that are investing in seed, 0.25% in 3 days, right? So this one, partners, 0.14% in 3 days. Public, 0.3%. What's the difference between ecosystem and public? Probably I don't know exactly, but I would say it's quite the same. I don't know why it's differentiated. Marketing as well, 0.16 in 3 days, 0.08 in 3 days. Overall, this would be 2.93% of all coins will be unlocked in 3 days from today, right? So in 3 days. And again, I told you, the research by CoinGecko, I read an entire research about it a couple of months ago. They state and they show that anything above 2.5% unlock is the danger point. That is why my suggestion for you is that if you are in this trade, even if you are investing in it, sell the majority of it now, because there is a probability that we will get sold on our heads as traders, right? And this is the chart. As traders, we took this breakout and we are already wildly in profit, right? I was 30% in profit in the last video. I took profits around the 70%. I saw it weakening. Now we're at 40%, all right, from the entry. Still good. Be out of, let's say, 70% out of the trade. 70%. You want to leave 30%, you know, possibility this will actually go up, because there is still a chance this will continue. Even if we go down because of the vesting, this can actually bounce from here and continue way higher. Remember, this is a small cap, right? This is a very small cap with a beautiful, beautiful chart indicating supply and demand dynamics have shifted towards buyers. But because of the unlock, the chart is not showing, right, the overhead supply that is going to be, you know, unlocked to the market and probably being sold, because almost everyone that will receive these tokens, they will want to sell at a huge profits. Probably they got in over here in seed or even lower, right? So they will want to profit. Why not? They made already, I don't know, 10x on the coins or whatever. How much is it? I don't know, 5, 6, I don't know where they entered, right? So 5, 6, 10, 20x, I don't know. They will want to take some profits. However, maybe, right, it won't be as deep because buyers are stepping into, and this will continue. That's why I want to still leave a runner of 30%, 20%, 10%, whatever you feel comfortable in your risk parameters. But that is what I think you should do, right? And as I said, this is an update on this trade, an update on OFN, and this is my update. Summary: sell at least 70%. Buy now. You should have taken profits into strength. Leave 30 up to 30% for a potential continuation. And of course, right, I will never say never on a continuation trade if we build something beautiful for a continuation. Let's say we you know, unlock and then we buy back again and then it builds something beautiful and then continues. Of course, I will buy the breakout. I'm not talking about continuation trades. I'm talking about what might happen in 3 days, which is this. Because this is a small cap, right? And because this can happen, I want to take the majority of my profits, right? 70, 80 or 90% all right, around that area, and just leave a runner in case I'm wrong. Why? Because as a small cap, being vested above 2.5% unlocked, you want to be careful. All right, and just to make sure that you don't feel that I'm lying over here and I walk the walk, this is the trade we took. Look, you can see jomosuperperformer. This is me, February 10th. This is the signal I added to our Patreon. All right, everyone in our Patreon, in our trading service could have seen this. And of course, we took profits into strength. And as I showed you the chart, what it is today. So look, I'm not ballooning over here, right? We find velocity moves. That's my job as a trader. I want to be in the juice. And if you want to join me, right, except of liking this video, subscribing to my channel, put that bell notification to make sure you don't miss any videos on potential trades, you should, all right, get into our trading service. Choose any tier, it doesn't matter. You want signals and updates, Alpha Trader is for you. Maybe you don't have a lot of time and that's enough for you. You just want to get the fish and understand what's happening with the market. If you want better, you want to be a professional trader or at least a full-time trader, or you're aspiring to be a better trader, take the Pro Trader, all right? You get as well Telegram directly to me. Of course, we have a group on Telegram where I put things for faster communication, and you get a call a month with me, they book a call instantly. Once you put the pot trader tier, you get an email to book a call, and we talk about everything from your trading goals, your trading itself, your portfolio. Should you sell the coins? Probably you should sell them if you have coins that just stuck there for you for a while and you don't know what to do with them. And if you really want to accelerate the trading, you can take the top trader. But hey, choose any. It doesn't matter for me. Just choose any. Start your journey. And these are just part of the trades that you can get, right? Of course, the OFN 50 to 70%, right, in a day. CHR made 60 to 70% as well, right? What else do we have? Trias, same thing. Everything is looking good, all right? This is Trias. Come on, not moving. This is the CHR trade. Now we're at 47. We reached 52 actually. Took profits. Trias, right? We're already at 17. Anyway, choose any. It doesn't matter, right? Anyways, until next time, no edge, no trade.